How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access YouTube edu creator, Math Teacher Ash, and welcome to ML with Sir Ash. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss the second part of our operations on functions, and that is subtraction. In this video, you will learn the technique on how to subtract functions as well as how to simplify them. So be sure to finish this video. But if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of these cool clear math videos just like this. Hello math learners, welcome to the second part of our topic on the operation of functions. And in this second part, we will be talking about the second operation, and that is subtraction. The first question is, how do we subtract functions? So the same as the concept that we have learned in addition of functions, in subtraction of functions, if you have two given functions like f of x and g of x, and then you are owed to find the subtraction or the difference of these two functions. So that is expressed as f minus g of x. So technically the notation for that one is you just get your f of x subtracted by the g of x. Alright, so let's consider an example. So we have here c of x is equal to x plus 5 over x minus 7, and e of x is equal to 3 over x minus 7. So question is, what if we are owed to find the c minus e of x and c minus e of 2? Okay, so first is, it says that we need to subtract the function of c to the function of e. Now, in subtraction, my dear math learners, be careful on the order of the given functions, because c minus e of x is different from e minus c of x, right? Okay, because here this is the minuend and e here is the subtrahend. Okay, so how do we solve this one? Basically, you just get the c of x minus the e of x. So our c of x is x plus 5 over x minus 7, okay? And our e of x is 3 over x minus 7. Now, since these two expressions are expressed in fractions, and remember, in subtraction of fractions, if you have the same denominator, you can copy the denominator immediately, okay? And then apply the operation in the numerator. So x plus 5 minus 3. So since x has the same term in the numerator, so we copy x. Then 5 minus 3, that is positive 2. So this is your final answer for the c minus e of x. Easy, right? Now, how about if you are owed to find the c minus e of 2? If that is the case, then what you need to do is to substitute the value of x by the value of 2. So in this case, let's just continue. So this will become 2 plus 2 over 2 minus 7, giving you 4 over negative 5, or negative 4 over 5. Easy, right? So now let us go to our second set of examples. Okay, math learners, we are now here in our second set of examples. We have the two functions, p of x and m of x, and we are owed to find these two scenarios. The first scenario is, what is the m minus p of x? And the second scenario is, what is the p of 3 minus 3 times the m of 2? Okay, so m minus p of x. So therefore, we need to write first our m here, right? So this means that m of x minus p of x. So our m of x here is 2x minus 1. Okay? And then, subtracted. So when you subtract a certain expression, you need to use the parenthesis. Okay? So our p of x is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay? By doing so, it means that the minus is distributed to each of the term in the given expression. So that gives us 2x minus 1 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Because negative times positive, negative, negative times positive, negative, and negative times negative, that is positive. So now what we need to do here is to simplify this one by combining like terms. So I'll just delete this one, alright? So, we just write the highest degree. So, negative 2x squared. Okay, this is the one. And then, how about the linear term? So, that is x and x. So, 2x minus x, that is negative 3x. Alright. Then, we have the constant term is negative 1 and positive 3. So, negative 1 plus 3, that is positive 2. And this will be your answer for this given scenario. Easy, right? Now, how about the second problem? We have P of 3. So, technically, what you need to do here is to substitute the value of x by 3, giving you 2 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 minus 3. So, that is 3 squared, that is 9. 9 times 2, that is 18 plus 15 minus 3. So, 18 plus 15, that is 33. 33 minus 3, and that is 30. So, the answer here for P of 3 is 30. Alright. How about M of 2? Okay, so if that is the case, M of 2, so this will become 2 times 2 minus 1. Okay, so that is 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. Okay, so for this one, the answer is 3. So this will become 3 times 3. Alright, so what we have now is 30 minus 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. And we have answer 21 as our final answer for the scenario number 2. Easy, right? Now, let us go to our next set of problems. Okay, math learners, we are now here to our new set of examples. And the given is 3 functions. And we are owed to find the value of 2 in the given operation w minus v minus k. Okay, so since we are talking here about value of 2, technically, this means that w of 2 minus v of 2 minus k of 2. Alright, so we just need to get the evaluated terms of each function in terms of 2, and then we subtract them. Okay, so here we have 3 times 2 minus 2. So the answer for that is 6 minus 2, which is 4. Now for the next function, so we have 2 times 2 minus 7. So that is 4 minus 7, and that will give us negative 3. Alright. Now, how about k of x, in which our x is 2. So that will give us negative 6 times 2 minus 7. So, negative 6 times 2, that is negative 12 minus 7, and that is negative 19. So now, since we already have the values for our w, v, and k, what we need to do is to substitute them in our final expression, and that will give us 4 minus negative 3 minus negative 19. So, of course, when two negatives are beside with each other, or it will generate a positive value. So, that is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 19, and the answer is positive 26. So, that will be your final answer for this given problem. Easy, right? So, now let us go to our final example. Okay, math learners, we are down to our final example, and we have the two given expressions or two given functions with the expression in quadratic equation. And what we need to do here is to simplify them into t minus r of 2. Okay, so technically, if this is the case, this is just the same as the concept earlier. So we just get t of 2 minus r of 2. So if that is the case, then we need to substitute our value here for 2. Okay, so giving us negative 2 squared plus 7 times 2 plus 1. So if this is the case, 2 squared is 4, negative 4, alright. Then 7 times 2, that is 14 plus 1. So 14 plus 1, that is 15, 15 plus negative 4, and that will give us positive 11. So therefore, our t of 2 is positive 11. For the final function, we have 5x squared minus 2x plus 8. So we just change this as positive 2, so 5 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 8. Alright, so 2 squared is 4. 4 times 5, that is 20. 2 times 2, that is 4. Then plus 8. 20 minus 4, that is 16. 16 plus 8, and that is 24. So minus 24. So 11 minus 24, the answer is negative 13, and that is your final answer. Alright. So my dear math learners, the concept of subtracting functions is very easy. If you do have some inquiries about this topic, feel free to put your inquiries in our comment section below. This is still your free access YouTube edu creator, Math Teacher Ash. And always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking this, and sharing this to your fellow friends, classmates, and schoolmates. Take care, God bless, and keep safe always. Congratulations, math learners, for arriving to this part of the video. If you think that this video have helped you, click that like button. And if you think that this channel can change the way you see mathematics, do not forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.